Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable or disable time and model watermark in your Vivo Y12s. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. If I'm going my phone camera section and if I'm going to try to take any picture, you see the picture is taken, but there is not appear any just like you can see there is no appear any timer model watermark. You might be decide to enable time and model watermark. In order to do that, you need to click here again in the phone camera icon, and then you need to click this gear icon. After click over gear icon, you scroll down, and then we're going to find here something say watermark. Here, if you decide to enable time watermark, you can easily turn this on, and also if you decide to enable model watermark, you can also turn this on. Let me go back, and now let me try to take a picture. If I'm going to take a picture, if I go check that picture, now I'm to see it's appear the date and model and time watermark. So this is quite interesting. You can see this is the date appear, and there is a model watermark appear. So this way you can easily enable time and model watermark in your Vivo Y12s. Now we might be decide to turn this off on those things. In order to do that, you need to click here again this picture icon or camera icon, and then click here this gear icon, and then go jump over there. We're going to find here watermark, and you can easily simply turn this off. So this is how you can easily enable or disable model and time watermark in your Vivo Y12s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.